Hi everyone, it's Roy.
And Kim.
And I brought her with me so we could do this haul video. I put the items off to the side. Kim's going to hand them to me so that we can discuss each one.
Like Vanna White.
Kind of like Vanna White, but she's not going to turn the letters. Okay, so let's get right into it real quick. Why don't you hand me one of those items and we'll talk about it. Okay, this first item I picked up at a garage sale. And I got this. You may have seen it a little bit on the last video. It was kind of hard to see. It was only there for a second. But these are both Murano glass paperweights. See, it even got a little label, made in Italy, Murano glass. This one doesn't have it, but I know what it is. This one's called the bubble pattern, if you can see it. And this one's called like a candy stripe, but it's glittery. If you heard in the video, there was also another item. I paid $1 a piece for them. And I'm expecting this one I can probably get about $15 to $25 for. And this one I should be able to get more in the $30 plus range. I'm hoping. So I'm going to have them listed on an eBay store. And if you want to look it up, you can find the link down on the bottom to my eBay store. Um, Feel free to message me or anything. Leave comments of any of the items that we have that I'm displaying. I guess I should hand those back to you.
Yeah, that was easy.
That was easy. Hand me a little bit. Yeah, right there. Okay, this right here, and I'm gonna try to get in close so you can see it. If you can see it, it says Stetton down here on the bottom. This was also that I got with those other paperweights. This is very hard to look up and find, but I try to do my best. I know it's Stettin. I know that's a little town in Poland, an old one. There's also a Polish name, but I can't pronounce it. Um, and it's right there on, I guess, the German side, the East German side, or right on the Poland side. Anyway, this statue doesn't exist anymore. I got little notes here. It's called Denkmal Kaiser Wilhelm statue. The statue was there in the early 1800s, and it's I guess, a, from like a Prussian. I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, I couldn't find a whole bunch of information on it. But it was like a Prussian statue from years back. The statue actually goes back to the 1700s. But this statue, I guess, was taken down. From what I can find out, it had some damage and was taken down sometime after World War II. And I'm guessing by the backing on this paperweight, I could tell that by what it is. I'm guessing that this is probably about 1950s, maybe early 60s, probably more 1950s. All right. Um,
PlayStation.
yeah, both of them. I picked up a couple of PlayStation games. They were a quarter a piece. I couldn't pass up PlayStation. This one is FIFA Street, PlayStation 2. And this one is NCAA 08 football, PlayStation 2. Like I said, a quarter a piece. I couldn't pass them up. Comps online for these two seem to be going for about almost about $10, $9.95 a piece. So that's not going to be bad for 25 cents. You want to grab your dress?
Sure.
All right, this one. You want to talk a little bit about it, Kim?
Well, I love this dress. I saw it and I was thinking about getting it for myself actually because it was my size, but I'm going to give it up. But the tag, I got it for $3 and it actually has a tag for $69.50. And
what are you talking about?
It was probably marked down, I'm guessing maybe half off. And it comes from,
What's the brand name on it?
the brand name is
American Rag.
American Rag.
Oh,
Yeah.
let me hold it up.
And it's got this, the little straps and it hangs off the shoulders. There's nothing wrong with it. It is like new. Really cute.
Okay.
And I guess someone could wear it as a dress. You could probably wear it with leggings. I'd probably wear it with a pair of jeans and maybe some straight leg jeans or something like that. But it's got the bell sleeves and it's real cute. It's got a little bit of glittery on the front side.
Little glitter, maybe
Yeah.
boho pattern or something.
Yeah, like a boho. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
You're smart.
I know it. All right. Let me put this stack over there. Give me those other 2 items. We'll get those out of the way. All right. Two other items I picked up. A neon orange JanSport backpack and a, I guess, kind of zebra cheetah leopard print JanSport backpack. I got them both for $5. I should be able to get about $10 for this one and $20 for this one plus the shipping. Good school items, good back to school items. So that's going to be really good. All right. I've got this crystal mid-century ice bucket I picked up. They don't go for a lot of money unless it's specific patterns. In fact, it came with this ice tongs. Yeah, ice tongs, but they don't even go with it. But this has got a silver handle. Yeah, it's mid-century glass crystal. It probably won't sell for a lot, and the weight's kind of heavy for shipping. But I paid 50 cents for this, and I've got another one I paid 50 cents for. Let me go ahead and get that. This one here, and it's got the etched cut design in it. So both of these were 50 cents a piece. I couldn't pass them up on it. So I'd probably get maybe $15 for them. $15 a piece. All right, and you know, in my last video, or my last haul video, I talked about some of these McDonald's glasses. Well, I picked up a Batman. I couldn't pass it up. I'll add it to a collection and make a lot of them. So, you know, in the video that I showed, I had Batman, Robin, and a Riddler. So I'll keep this one. And I have a Riddler glass, so I'll get a Robin glass. I got another set. And I picked up this Flintstones glass. Oh, and I only paid 25 cents a piece for these. So I picked up the Flintstones glass. Not big money makers, but I get these. It says Flintstones right there. I get these and put them in a lot. I give for 25 cents. I sell the lot for, I don't know, $10, $12. Again, not big money makers. $12 plus shipping, $10 plus shipping.
I love that it looks like rock, and even the handle looks like rock.
The glass has that Flintstone rock.
Yeah.
Look, and it's got the McDonald's seal on it. It says Flintstones on the bottom. Again, those aren't big money makers. I'll take the other 2 glasses. So I also couldn't pass 25 cents Lord of the Ring glasses. I got another Strider and another Frodo. So start another lot of these, you know, and put them on eBay. They'll be pretty good. I get another lot down and so forth. I'd probably get another, again, 25 cents a piece, make a lot, sell them for $10 to $15 for the lot. So it's a good little flip. Here you go.
Oh. Cheers.
Cheers. SpongeBob mugs. Not old. Good condition. Still look really good. 25 cents a piece. I get $5 for them, or a lot for 10. But comps are showing $5 to $7 a piece plus shipping. So $10, $12 for the lot, or 12. You know, I don't know, $10. That'll be good for 25-cent cups. Can't beat it. Always good to sell little items. Sometimes bigger items is always better to make bigger money, but smaller items are good just to keep the money flow going, and that way you can always purchase more products. Go ahead.
So I found the Victoria's tote, as you saw in our last video, and it's in excellent condition. Nothing wrong with it at all. Really roomy.
Pretty big.
Yeah, it's really big. It'd be a good overnighter, I think.
It's nice and deep. It opens up wide.
Yes. So if you're like on an overnight trip, it would definitely hold everything.
Yeah, Victoria's Secret. What does it say in there? I love Victoria. That's a really nice Victoria Secrets
It's more
bag.
suede. I was
It's
saying it's of course.
it's a leather handle suede kind of or like I said nylon bag, but a suede leather type strappings and handle. You paid how much for it?
I think maybe $2 or $3.
Couple $2 or $3 for it. Comes on this $20 easy plus the shipping.
Okay, you want each hat?
No, just hand me all the hats.
Okay.
All right, and then one of the last things that we picked up for the garage sale, I picked up all these hats here. This was one of those things in the last video I talked about that a lot of people will do retail arbitrage. They go to Ross, they do things like that. They do retail arbitrage online, eBay, Amazon. But a lot of garage sellers will do the same thing. So you go to the garage sale expecting to find 25-cent items, and then you're going to find something for $5 a piece. And this lady was trying to sell these hats for $5 a piece, and I'll show them to you. They're all different types. Well, I ended up getting them for $1 a piece, but that's still more than I should have paid or wanted to pay for a hat. But it's not bad. A lot of these hats I'm gonna make $10, $15. Some of them, you know, maybe only $5. But I'll show you the hats real quick. A lot of them are still new and still have the tags on them. Oh, there's the box. There's a Coors Light hat. It's not new, but oh, and I'm trying to throw it down on the ground. But the Coors Light hat, those are always sellers. The Valor Express hat. Georgia Bulldogs. Anybody a Georgia Bulldog fan out there? I got a Georgia Peach right there, so you know she likes Georgia.
Love my dogs.
All right. There's another Nike and hat. Texas. Leather brim. And good old Red Sox hat. So, like I said, I'll definitely get my money back on those. So that was a good find. Anyway, that's all we got for the haul video.
Can I say something?
Yeah, you sure can. I want to thank everybody that has been subscribing to me. It's a real blessing. I'm getting a lot of great comments, a lot of great feedbacks. Matt at PTP Part-Time Pickers promoted me. He's a good YouTube friend. So I want to thank you, Matt, and all the subscribers out there. I couldn't have done all this without you, so thank you very much. And Kim said she wants to say something.
We just want to say and reach out to all the families in El Paso and in Ohio, Dayton. In the recent events, our prayers and thoughts are with you. We love you. And our children are actually stationed at Fort Bliss, both our son and daughter, El Paso. And it was really close to home, like 6 miles. So we were kind of going through a little bit yesterday, but everybody's safe and sound, all our grandchildren. But our heart goes out to all the families that are mourning today.
Yeah. And our kids just miss being there at that situation. So.
Yes. So God bless you all, and we'll be praying for you.
All right. Thank you all very much. Bless you all.
Bye.
Bye-bye.